Hey guys, this is the Grid here, back with another kind of holiday. Way! I'm currently in Salthill in Galway, and on the local news, gale force warning for Salthill, which Morrissey Point is still being fixed after being flooded. So basically, I'm walking along here, very, very breezy. I know what you're saying. Why is an Irish guy wearing sunglasses in October? But the sun's coming out. There's Salthill Beach. There's the Galway Hotel. That's where I'm on. There's where Perks Fun Fair used to be. Water slide on the hook. Yeah, as you can see, the sand is blowing very profusely. You can taste it in your mouth. And seagulls are out, the sun is out. It's coming through. And oh yeah, very interesting it was. Sign still up. But it's gone. Alright. But I'm not gonna hold much of your time. Those of you who do subscribe to me, having a well-deserved break. I think I deserve it, even though I am a lazy bitch. Well, yeah. So, this is the Grid. Thanks for watching.